Hello food fans, today we are going to prepare hamburgers, and the recipe calls for us to make them college style, and that means make them big and cook those hamburgers as though nobody is looking over your shoulder, because we're going to have some good hamburgers. We've got ground beef. This costs $1.99 a pound, so $2 a pound. I'm going to make about 3 hamburgers per pound, so it comes out to about 67 cents per hamburger. I've got an onion, great big onion. This onion costs $1.50, quite expensive, but I can make at least 8 hamburgers from that onion. And I've got the tomato here. This was about 30 cents worth of a tomato. And I've got hamburger buns, 8 hamburger buns, 89 cents, so about 11 cents each for the hamburger buns. So we're going to have a delicious meal, because I'm also going to fix a salad and a dessert, and it's all going to come in for way under $5, and it's going to be tasty. Yes, let's get started. It sounds good already. I've got 2 hamburger patties there. I'm going to make 2 hamburgers. It would be 1/3 of a pound each approximately. And I'm going to use about 1/3 of the potato, very big potato, so I won't be using a lot of potato, and I won't be using a whole lot of hamburger, but enough to make some good healthy size hamburgers. And also I'm going to make a salad, and then after the salad and the hamburgers with the potatoes and onions, after all that, I'm going to have some dessert that I think you will like. For the salad, I always use cabbage instead of lettuce. A person could use cabbage or lettuce, or both cabbage and lettuce. And I'm going to use some ranch dressing with some relish mixed in with the ranch dressing. And I'm also going to put part of the tomato in there, so this is going to be a very good salad. I think you'll like the way it looks. There is our salad. We've got some cabbage, carrots, tomato, a little bit of the tomatoes chopped up in there, and the ranch dressing and relish all mixed together. This is very good. Probably comes out to about 30 cents a serving, and I urge you to eat at home. Save the money that you would spend in the restaurant and buy yourself a Mercedes or something. You taste this salad. The salad is delicious, as always. I have this just about every day, that salad. It is good. And I do believe it is healthful. And our potatoes and hamburger patties, onions, they're all cooking up very nicely. I like my hamburgers very well done. And that is one big hamburger. This is a hamburger that is 80% lean, 20% fat. So plenty of vitamin F there. Let that cook a little longer. Now we'll get the hamburger buns. These are somewhat small hamburger buns. They're average size actually, but anything that's average size is small for me. And what I will do is heat up the 2 buns I'm going to use just by putting them into the pan. And I will flip those burgers one more time. My 2 buns there. I'm going to put a little bit of mustard on each bun here. I'm getting plenty of mustard on there. And a little bit of relish on each one. Spread the mustard out like that. Get some relish. And I will flip the burgers one last time. And put that bun over there. And these will be well done. Let that cook and prepare the hamburger. On each hamburger bun here, I'm going to place a slice of tomato and a little bit of the onions there, and a beef patty, great big well done beef patty. Use this top here, that's the bottom, so let me use this top here. There we go. Now that is a great big messy hamburger, and the hamburger's about to fall out in the back. Big hamburger. Let's take a taste. Very delicious. Better than anything you'll buy at a fast food place. This is great. This is a big hamburger, a greasy hamburger, a messy hamburger. I'm going to have some potatoes with it. They're still very hot. Want some more of the hamburger. Delicious and big. Try the potatoes again, see if they've cooled off any. Very good and still very hot. Good. I won't make you wait until I've finished the other hamburger. What I'm going to do is show you the dessert that I will be fixing, starting with a graham cracker. Put the graham cracker and break it up into the dish, on the bottom of the dish. By the way, graham crackers and animal crackers taste pretty much the same, so you could use animal crackers if you want to. Now, we're going to put something on top of the graham cracker. Let's put some pudding. This is a pudding cup. This is tapioca pudding. I will put that in there with a big spoon. Now, on top of the tapioca pudding, I will chop up just a tiny bit of a banana in there. And this all comes out to less than $5, probably even less than $3.50, depends on the price of groceries. And if you buy potatoes in a 10-pound bag, you'll get them for about 1/4 what I paid for that potato. That would be good just like that. We're going to add a couple of secret ingredients here. Some raisins. That's nice. And the final ingredient, you guessed it, you're correct, you're exactly right, a whipped topping. That over the dessert. Come on, there you go. A little bit more. And that is the dessert, and it is low cost. The pudding cup costs about 25 cents, and this whole thing, whole dessert, certainly less than $1. And depending on how many people you're serving, it costs less per serving the more servings you have, because you get bargains by buying the larger sizes. There is the dessert. That is good. I'm gonna get back to my hamburgers, and then I'll finish the dessert. And the salad was great, and I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope you try this soon. This is good. Thank you for watching.